Welcome to our new video. Your PC or laptop is still a decent one, and it runs Windows 10. However, it's doomed, because Microsoft has announced the exact date when they will have stopped supporting Windows 10. So, one of the alternatives is to switch to Linux, which you may be afraid of, because you don't know a lot about the free and open source operating system. In this video, we will show you certain basic tasks you can do in the same or nearly the same way in Linux as in Windows 10. So stay tuned. In this video, we will compare the basic functionality in Windows 10 and Kubuntu, which is an Ubuntu flavor with KDE Plasma desktop environment. So, in Windows 10, you can mostly start your work by clicking on the Start menu where you'll find your apps. The apps can be found in the left part of the Start menu, arranged in alphabetical order. On the right-hand side of the menu, you've got your pinned apps easily accessible. In the taskbar, there is a dedicated search field with global search functionality, and there you can look for apps and files, for instance. The workflow is organized so that there are pinned apps in your taskbar, where the apps are easily accessible. On the right-hand side of the taskbar, there's the system tray area with widgets and many functions, including connections, volume, calendar, notifications, and so on. And of course, Windows 10 includes Microsoft Copilot, the AI assistant. Here's how you will do the same things in Kubuntu. Its application menu is in the same place, and it offers almost the same functionality. The menu includes a section with apps ordered alphabetically, and there are also sections with apps ordered by categories. On the right-hand side of the menu, there are also pinned apps that can be easily accessed with just a single click. To begin searching, in Kubuntu, you need to press the Alt plus F2 key combination. And it's also a global search, meaning you can look for files, folders, and apps. The taskbar is organized in the same way as in Windows 10, so you'll find your pinned apps on the left-hand side. Similarly, the system tray area is on the right-hand side of the taskbar, and it offers nearly the same functionality as its Windows 10 counterpart. Of course, Windows Copilot is not there, but you can have one if you want. Another important element of the workflow in Windows 10 is the desktop. It's of course a working desktop, and there you can store your app shortcuts for easy access to the applications that you use frequently. The next thing that users might frequently visit in Windows 10 is its Settings app. Among other things, it handles Windows updates, which provide security updates, features, and patches. However, it's worth noting it's not the only place for handling updates. For Microsoft applications, you need to open the Microsoft Store and also check for updates there. So, there isn't a native Windows 10 comprehensive application that will handle all the updates in one place, including, of course, third-party apps that you found on the internet, like Google Chrome, for instance. For that, you can install utility apps like Glary Utilities, which would handle the updates of the third-party applications in one place. Similarly, in Kubuntu, although there are no desktop icons by default, and unlike certain Linux distributions that do not support the working desktop functionality, you can have icons on the desktop if you want. What's more, you can enter the edit mode and add widgets to your desktop, like Weather Report, for example. There are dozens of widgets available. In Kubuntu, you'll find the System Setting app, where users can customize every single detail of their systems. Updates are handled all in one place. It's done in the KDE's software store called Discover. It's the place where you can update both your system and installed apps. while handling several apps at the same time. In Windows 10, users have the Workspaces functionality. It provides a glimpse of all the open apps. It's also a way to easily switch between the applications. Additionally, to change the app you are working on, you can press the Alt plus Tab key combination. The next thing Windows 10 users are used to is right-clicking the desktop, which is the function that offers many options, including creating a new document or a folder. Another thing that you can do in Windows 10 is to personalize the system to a degree. You can change things like the desktop wallpaper or choose a different desktop color. Users can also change the desktop theme. However, the themes look mostly the same, and you cannot change the icon pack in any way, like to customize their color or shape. In Kubuntu, you can also switch between multiple open apps by pressing the Alt plus Tab key combination. To start the Workspaces view, all you need to do is to place your cursor in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, which triggers the preview of all the open apps. Kubuntu with its desktop provides almost the same functionality. Users can right-click on the desktop and create new documents, folders, and so on. And the thing where Kubuntu beats Windows 10 by a long shot is customization. Here, not only users can change the global desktop theme, but they can also customize things like colors, window decorations, fonts, icons, and so forth. It relates only to the pre-installed things in Kubuntu, without taking into account items you can add, like even more desktop backgrounds, themes, icon packs, and so on. So if you decide to make a switch to Linux from Windows 10, then rest assured that you'll find a lot of familiarity there and the things that you've been more or less accustomed to. And this is only when it comes to the KDE Plasma desktop environment. Should we do similar videos that would show shared functionality between Windows 10 and Cinnamon or XFCE desktops? Let us know in the comment section. If you find the video useful, please share it, give us a like, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.